A thing of beauty is a joy forever. Its loneliness increases, it will never pass into nothingness, but still will keep a bower quiet for us and a slave. Full of sweet dreams and health and quiet breathing. Therefore, on every morrow are we breathing. A flowery band to bind us to the earth, spite of despondence of the inhuman death. Of noble natures of the gloomy days, of all the unhealthy and soever darkened ways. Made for our searching, yes, in spite of all, some shape of beauty moves away the pall. From our dark spirit, such the sun, the moon, trees, old and young, sprouting a shady boon. For simple sheep and such are daffodils with the green world they live in and clear rills. That for the themselves a cooling covert make gainest the hot season that mid forest pray. Rich with the sprinkling of fair musk rose blooms, and such too is the grandeur of the dooms. We have imagined for the mighty dead all lovely tales that we have heard or read. An endless fountain of immortal drink pouring unto us from the heavens brink. Summary to this poem. The poet says that beauty is eternal, it is forever, it never fades away, but instead, our love for it enhances with the passage of time. The beauty acts like the soothing, relaxing shade of the trees, which helps all the creatures to sleep peacefully and ensure good health. Every moment, our desire live further is because we encircle ourselves our love towards these beautiful things as we get wrapped up in the beautiful flowery band. We get a reason to live further. Without beauty, the earth is full of gloom and sadness. There is a cruelty all around and lack of good natured people. In this beauty, the creation of God which removes the sadness and darkness from mind and soul. The poet names some of the things whose beauty is eternal: the sun, the moon, the greenery, like trees, whose shade is a boon for the creatures, like the sheep to rest under. Various flowers like daffodils make the earth so green and lively, and rumors are lively, and rivers of full of clear water. The thick green bushes of forests fern where beautiful fragrant musk roses bloom. Other than these things of nature, the poet says that stories of brave men who sacrificed their lives are also beautiful. All these beautiful things are take nectar for us, God's gift to us, which helps us to live further on this earth. A thing of beauty is joy forever. A thing of beauty is joy forever, ever, ever, ever.